Starting April 1st, 2025, California landlords must follow a new rule under Assembly Bill 2801 when handling security deposits. AB 2801 requires landlords to take photographs of the rental unit at 3 key points: before or at the start of the tenancy, after the tenant moves out but before any cleaning or repairs, and again after all work is completed. These photos must be shared with the tenant if any part of their security deposit is withheld. So why does this matter? It creates a clear visual record of the property's condition before, during, and after tenancy. That means fewer disputes, more transparency, and better protection for both landlords and tenants. If you manage property in California, compliance with AB 2801 isn't optional. Start building this process into your move-in and move-out routines now so you're ready by April. At Realty Management Group, we're already ahead of the curve. We document every property thoroughly, protecting our clients and keeping everything by the book. Questions about AB 2801? We're here to help.